Eden's Hope Ministries. Today we're going to do an easy wrap. It's a vegetarian chicken salad wrap. So today I'll be using the vegetarian strips. It's an easy process, and so you can use any chicken strips you want, but today I'm using the vegetarian chicken style. So what I've done, I've sliced them up, warm it a little bit, and I'm going to be adding 3/4 cups of celery, chopped celery, half a cup of sweet cranberries, half a cup of pecans chopped a little bit, 1 cup of the veggies. It's dairy free and egg free. I'll be adding a tablespoon of lemon, and then we're going to wrap them. So it's an easy process. 1, 2, 3. So first I'll start by adding the veggies. You can use whatever brand you want. Today I'm using the veggies. Then I'll be adding all together the cranberries, the nuts, and the celery. I like these cutting boards because you can chop on them and take them right over to your bowl. And then we're going to be adding the lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. And this lemon juice came all the way from California, so it's organic from my sister's garden. So we're just going to mix, quick mix. You can choose to add other things in here. You can add some chopped carrots. You can choose to add some grapes. If you don't like celery, you can add something else to that. Like I've said before, you don't have to be a slave to your recipe. And I like to, you will always hear me say add in. I would always try to see what I can add in to make it more nutritious. So I'm going to be using this tortilla wrap. Some are hard, so you have to put it in a skillet or on the grill and warm it. But I love this one because it's pliable. I can move it around. Okay, and I'm using the white one today. You can choose to use whatever one you want. You can use the whole wheat. You can use the pepper, dried pepper, or you can use the avocado one. Also, you can add some avocado slices in here. So we're just gonna put this right in the middle. And for those who like more mayonnaise, you can add more mayonnaise if you want to. Then I'm gonna bring this in, grab it, and just wrap it like a burrito. And just slice it. And we're gonna plate it. It is that simple. So on my plate, I have some tomatoes, I have some carrot sticks, some cucumber slithers, and some onions, and some tomatoes, and I have some basil. Basil is delicious. I use it for quite a few things. You can put the leaves in there, or you can bite them. And that is your chicken salad wrap. So I can tell you some tips on that. You can, if you don't want to use the wrap because you're concerned about your extra carbs, you can use a lettuce leaf, put that in there, wrap it up, eat it with a lettuce leaf. You can also use the egg roll wrapper, the one that's not cooked. It's made from rice paper. You can use that, or you can also put that on some whole wheat bread or some multigrain bread and make a sandwich out of it. It's very versatile, very tasty. You can try it. So I'll tell you some calories. The basic recipes, you will get 218 calories in that serving. Total fat would be 9.5 grams. There's no trans fat, no cholesterol, because there's no animal product in there. Sodium is a little bit high, 528. So you can cut down on something. You can use less of the chicken strips if you want, and you can take out the wrap and use use the lettuce leaves instead. The total carbs is 27 grams. Once again, if you want less, you don't use the wrap. The dietary fiber is 1.5. Now that is my concern, and so that is why you see I have the vegetables in there, because alone you don't get a lot of fiber with that. You get 1.5 grams of fiber, and for each meal you should aim for 5 to 6 grams of fiber in a meal or more. So I would definitely and I don't worry about it today because I have other things to make up the fiber. Sugar is low, 3 grams, and protein is 6 grams. So it's a meal, it's a complete meal. You can have a smoothie with that and you should be full. It's a good, when the kids go back to school, you can put that in their lunch bags. Your husband or your wife, if you have to prepare their lunch, you can put that in their lunch. It's very filling. Half is very filling, but a full one for a grown man is a good meal. And there you have it, the vegetarian chicken salad wrap presented by Eden's Hope Ministries today on Cooking with Dorrel. Enjoy, and I will see you on another episode of Cooking with Dorrel from Eden's Hope Ministry. Thank you so much.